it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. So I got my mystery box giveaway that I won from Madison Miller and I just got it in the mail, so we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna unbox and show you guys what I get because I don't even know what I got, so this is freaking awesome. I've never won a giveaway before and I'm super excited that I did, especially from her because she's so sweet and down to earth. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, click the notification bell so you know that every time I upload a video or post on my wall. And let's just open this sucker up. Okay. And this came quick too because she had it on Sunday and I entered it on Sunday. She had it going on for 2 hours because she wanted to do a quick one. And that's what happened. She does these literally all the time, which is the coolest thing ever. I'm so excited. Alright, so that is bubble wrap. Holy crap, this thing's filled! Alright, where are we gonna start? Okay. Alright, so we got this blush by Flower Beauty, which I've gotten stuff that you guys wanted me to try some of their stuff out. So this is the Flower Pots, and this is a powder blush in the shade Deep Phony. This is what it looks like. We're gonna swatch it. Oh my, it's so buttery. Oh my goodness. That's what it looks like as a swatch. That's a pretty shade. I gotta move these scissors. Next, we got from Ciate London with holographic glitter. This is a glitter flip holographic. Open it up. Oh, it's in a black. This is in the shade Storm. That's what this looks like. It's like one of those glitter things that I got in one of my bags in my one video that I literally asked you guys what it was because I didn't know. But that's what that looks like, and it's a black. This packaging is adorable. Alright, next thing we got is a Wet n Wild highlighter bar in Bare Minutes. And this is what this looks like. It's all sealed and stuff, so I would open it, but right now it's very sealed, so that's what that looks like. Next we have this Sigma Chrome Glow Shimmer and Highlight Palette. I've never tried anything from Sigma Beauty either. I'm freaking excited. This is just as amazing as a freaking Jeffree Star mystery box. So this is the packaging. Oh, and this is what this looks like. We're gonna swatch the shade Peaceful. So that shade looks like. And that is right there. It's very hard to pick up, but it's very light. And it's not too in your face and crazy of a color. Next we have this is this is from Ardell Beauty. This is an eyeshadow stick, which is pretty cool. I've never tried an eyeshadow stick. I can't pronounce what it's, I think it's like Irresistible, but like it has the I for the eye, Irresistible. Alright, I was back, I had to let my dogs in and I had to put the box on the ground so it's a little heavy. So this is a Pure Louise. Or Pure, this is a balancing moisturizer in Blue Lotus. This is what this looks like. If you hear anything going on crazy, it's my dogs, you know the drill. Next is this Decor. This is a biotonical powerhouse for the skin. I think it is it's just a little sample. Cute. I don't know what this does. We'll have to look into it. Next, Body. This is an anti-drama face mask. Love me some face masks, so that's pretty freaking awesome. And then from Becca, this is a liquid crystal lip topper glow gloss, and this is in the shade Topaz and Glitz. Let's open her up. Oh. She is gorgeous, guys. Oh yeah. That's what that looks like. Look at that. Ooh, it's just a little bit cold because it literally just came in from outside. Next, this is from Joe, and it goes, I'm your jelly bae. This is a matte lipstick. This is inspired by K-Beauty. This is what this looks like. It's red. It is all packaged up, or I would show you it, because I'll show you guys those in the end when I am done. Sorry, I was making sure my camera was recording. Next, we have from CoverGirl. This is a demi matte lipstick in the shade Worthy. So, just gonna apply that right there. That's what that looks like. That is a very nice red. Your girl loves lipsticks, even though you barely see me wear them, but I do love them, I promise. Now this, I believe, is a mascara from Kaja. Nope, no it's not. It's a lipstick. It's a lipstick. And that's what that looks like. It is a red. This is in the shade Satin Sheets. Oh my, I love this. This is the Tarte Guard 30. This is literally for, I put this on my scalp in the summer. Sunscreen, and you put it on your head. Love that stuff. That stuff's amazing. It works really well. Next, we got something from Tarte. I think this is a blush in Sensual, which I don't have. A blush that I don't have by Tarte. Let's go. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Literally is just the shade of my, let's watch on the inside. That's what that looks like. It's literally like a pinky orange, very cool tone. I love cool tone stuff, so it's completely fine. We're gonna bring this box back up to me. All right. Then we have from Physicians Formula. This is the Smudge Proof Brow Last, and this is in my shade. So that's sweet. That's cool. We'll have to try that out. We're gonna try a lot of these in like first impression stuff. Here's another P. Louise Prevent Eye Indoor Serum in the same Blue Lotus. So let me open this up. That's what this looks like. Then we have by Rimmel London. This is a Kiss Proof Lip Color. And this is the Lock and Shine. So there's 2 steps to it. So you have the lip color over here, and then you have something to lock it. Oh, so you put this on top. It's just like a clear base to keep it and make it shiny and glossy looking. We have another one of those glitter flips from Ciate London, and this is with, I'm assuming this is gonna be pink, because the other one was in a black container. And this is in pink. Look at that packaging. We swatching it, you know the drill. Looks very weird where I swatched it, and I apologize for that, but you know. That's what that looks like. It is a pink. Love adding pops of color to my stuff. Then we have a Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Metallic. This is by Wet n Wild. So this is what this color looks like. It's a brown, and I'm gonna need a makeup swipe. So this is in a brown when it's packaged, and I'll show you guys that a little bit later. This is a Forever Kissable Lip Stain by Ardell. It's also covered, so I'm not taking it out. This is a CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade. This is in the shade Wedding Chaser. That's what it looks like right there. Very gorgeous color. We then have a highlighter from Wet n Wild. And this is what the highlighter looks like. That is freaking gorgeous. We have another one of the glitter flips by Ciate London. And I'm assuming this is more like a red. Oh yeah, it's a red. Let's go. And the red is right there. It's basically surrounded by all my other reds, which is, I'm sorry if that's making it a little bit confusing, but can't really help it. And we have another Ardell liquid lipstick. That's in a red. We have another Ardell gel liner in Wanna Get Lucky. It is a blue. And then we have the Sunscreen Broad Spectrum by Lancome. A little sample of a sunscreen. Can always use little samples. Love samples, so I'm completely fine by that. Then we have a loose pigment by Wet n Wild in this blue. Let's see if it will show up. Yeah. in the blue. Then we got this lip color by, this is Metallic Lip and Deeper. This is also by CoverGirl. That's what that looks like. It's in a blue. Ooh. We have another lip thing in Cashmere by Kaja. This is Cushy Vibe. Just slightly, this is the first one. This is just slightly different than the other one. This one's more pinky and the other one's more red. And then we have a Joie Blush and Bronze palette. This is, oh, let me remove the plastic. That is what this looks like. That's very pretty. Next we have a Ardell Hydro Lipstick, and it's in this red shade. Next is this Carbonated Bubble Charcoal Clay Mask by Urban City. Oh, that just, it comes in a container like this. It is sealed right now, so I will show you guys this later in like a trying out video. Next we have, it's by Smashbox. This is a Be Legendary lipstick in Fair Play Matte. I've never had any of their lipsticks. This is that shade. It is like a pretty mauve. Going on the other hand, so swatches are gonna look a little ugly. That's what that shade looks like. Next, we have another CoverGirl lipstick in the shade Succulent Cherry. It is in this red. So we're going to swatch it with my left hand, which is weird. Ooh, that one feels very nice. That's what that looks like. This feels very hydrating compared to the other ones. Oh, because this is a cream. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, and then we have an Even Steven Whip Foundation. This is in the shade medium, mid-medium. This is what this looks like. This will definitely will have to try out when I'm a little bit tan, because that's a little bit too dark for me right now. But when I get a little bit of a tan, we gonna try it out. Then this is a Kanja sponge. This is a dry sponge. It looks like this. You use this for like dry scrubbing. That's like a big thing that's like happening right now. And then we have, oh, I saw this on her channel when she got it. And this is what this looks like, this little eyeshadow palette, which is adorable. Let's do this shade. Doesn't have any shade names, so let's take that. Okay, so this is a more of a glitter. So I'll probably have to use like a glitter topper. Yeah, I will have to use like a glitter topper to get it all on. That's what that looks like. I literally just got glitter all over myself. This is by Pure Louise. And this is a coconut oil coffee sugar body scrub. And this is what this looks like. That's pretty dang cool. And then we have by Joa, again, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is a precision brow pencil. I'm always up for new brow products. And this is in the shade, this is, oh shoot, this is in a brown. This will work. It is in a brown. Very cute. And then we have a Bio Essence. This is the Nourisher. Oh, and this is what this looks like. It's so tiny and cute. And then we have, wow, from Sigma, we have the Essential Trio brush set. This is the 3 travel brushes with the brush tin on the go. This is what this looks like. I've never had Sigma brushes, so I'm pretty stoked for that. And then, bag from It Cosmetics, and it's holographic. And that is really cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am literally so obsessed and grateful for everything I got. This is so freaking... That was a box left over. This is so amazing. Like, she's so sweet to do this. I just got so much makeup and skincare and brands that I've been wanting to try and that you guys wanted me to try, and I'm so excited. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because It was an unboxing. And who doesn't love unboxings? Like, come on. And this is literally insane. Insane on all this stuff. This is crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys again in our next one. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe, join the fam. We're growing slowly but surely, but like, join us, and I really hope to see you join the family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.